So this is my laptop. That's the Realtek high definition audio driver installing again because I couldn't get audio in my headphones, and I need to have audio in my headphones so I don't bother other people. Now I've already installed this driver, and for some reason Windows forgot that I did. It worked for a while and then it didn't work anymore. And the Realtek high definition audio driver revision 2.82 has to be installed again, and it's taking forever. And I had to reboot my computer during the process just to get some audio. So my thought is, why do I even have to have this at all? Why do I need Realtek high definition audio? Can I just delete it and just have simple audio that works coming out of my speakers? And then if I plug something in coming out of headphones, it seems like it would be kind of basic, simple, but it's not. I have this shitty ass big package of software that I have to deal with. Here it is. It's installing now. Going a little faster now, but I'm wasting like 20 minutes on just getting some audio. And so, is there any way I can not be involved? And this is a larger problem with perhaps Windows software in general, and I know the whole history on it. I was working with Windows computers back in 1985, 86, whenever Windows 1.0 came out. I was in programming classes for it at the University of Washington. And it was, I'm very into computing. But I also understand the bigger picture here, that it's a bug if I can't use my computer at a basic level. And I appreciate the anarchic chaos of Windows, and that there's a lot of things, there's a lot of hardware involved that's varied. It's not Apple, which I totally think is awesome. I don't like Apple at all. But when there's a package like this, Realtek, that makes it so I can't even use audio, there's a serious problem going on somewhere. And I don't need that much for audio. Audio shouldn't be complicated for me. I don't need to adjust any frequencies or do anything tricky. And the fact that it forgot its settings, or somebody did. Now, I know it's easy to think, nobody's responsible in the chaos of software that's out there and all the drivers and different hardware mixed together. It's astounding it works at all, and I'm thrilled. I'm thrilled that I get to live in this bizarre sci-fi world where I can do the amazing things I can do on this computer. But there's some severe problems with some packages that take too much control.